Ladies and gentlemen, we are out in Long Island at Bohemia with All County Block Supply. I'm here with Robert. We just installed a new rack. Robert, introduce yourself.
What's going on, guys? I'm Robert, All County Block and Supply, here with my good friend Skylar. We're one of Long Island's top premier sellers of porcelain pavers, regular concrete pavers, natural stones, wall stones, anything you guys might need in your masonry supply, day-to-day life, we got it here. We had met Skylar and Dean the other day. They said, hey, can we come out, show you guys what we got? We got a nice line of porcelain pavers. I think they'd be a good fit for you guys here. Invited them down, got a nice setup, so I want to show you guys what we got today.
Absolutely, and one of the biggest things that they sell here is Bluestone, and when you're looking for something on pavers to have that kind of improvement, when you don't want the rust stains, the iron spots, or anything else of the like, we have two Bluestone porcelain pavers that are gonna give you two options on a three-piece pattern, 2 cm, to avoid those issues. And again, they are gonna be low maintenance, they're gonna be slip resistant, they're gonna be chemical resistant, so just a better option all around for you to lay down and put those pavers in. So we have a full display here at All County Block in Bohemia. We set them up fully with our line that we have stocked here in New York. So if you need anything readily available, we'll have it to them in a couple of days and they'll get it out to you right away. So we have 24 by 24 on a 2 cm. We have 16 by 32 on a 2 cm as well. Also in a 3 cm for driveway. So the ones in the back here are driveway safe for you to lay. They're 50,000 PSI. So you're good to lay it either on a dry lay or a mud job, however you want to do it. Then we have a standalone for that Bluestone that we were talking about earlier. These are going to be the actual replacements for Bluestone. The Pietra Blue, that has more of that vibrant color to it, is going to be the replacement for the Pennsylvania Bluestone. And then we have Pietra Spicata, which is more like that New York Bluestone when you're looking for that range in color and you want to have that three-piece pattern to put along with it all together. We have those two options. And again, you're going to get the benefits of porcelain rather than using the natural stone of it not rusting, staining. It's going to be consistent in that color, which is key. A lot of people, and probably my number one thing, is they don't want their pavers to overheat. This does a lot better. You won't have to do the beach walk on a very hot day or have to water off your pavers. These are going to be cooler to the touch. They're bearable on a hotter day, and they're going to be chemical resistant. So if you live by a body of water and you have that sea salt, we all know that sea salt breaks down everything at that kind of level. So this is going to be resistant for that as well. So you get all those benefits. Come down to see All County Block and Supply. They're trained professionals. They've been working with porcelain for many years and they're more than happy to help you out.
Hi guys, so we just saw Skylar here. He was talking a lot about these beautiful porcelain tiles here. And he's talking a lot about the Bluestone here. It comes in a nice, beautiful three-piece pattern. So like I'd mentioned earlier, we do a lot of work with Bluestone. So if you guys are looking for anything to complement your job there, it's got beautiful texture to it, beautiful color, slip resistant, everything like that. We got also our other colors in here as well. Like Skylar mentioned, we have driveway safe materials as well. So if you're doing a big driveway job, you like the look of things and you're saying, oh, well, I don't know if I should really put porcelain down in my driveway, it's going to crack and everything like that. Not a problem here. We got what you need. Come down, take a look at it. Great stuff. And then on our smaller pieces here, beautiful job for a backyard, everything like that. It's going to give you a great feel for what you're looking for. A lot of added benefits to stuff like this. No scratching, no staining, cleans easy. Anything you need with this stuff, take care of it right away.
Great job, man. I'm going to be out of a job soon. Good job.
Thank you.